This is a 2011 Subaru Impreza G4 GJ7 with a J20 engine. And in this video, I'm taking you through the chassis number, the engine number, and the fin plate location. So in this Subaru Impreza G4, the chassis number is located below the driver's seat mounting, as you can see over there. That's the chassis number. While the engine number, let me show you here. The engine number is located on the right hand side of the engine block, just below the intake manifold, as I will show you here. So on the right hand side of the engine block, just below the intake manifold, there you see, that's the engine number you are seeing over there. While the fin plate is located on the passenger door mounting. You can see over here on the passenger door mounting, that's the fin plate you are seeing over there.